I have finally figured out how to light this on my RV. The flame is lit. Yes, the flame is lit. I gotta put the screw back in it right here. But the flame is lit, ladies and gentlemen. We can see through the peephole. It's lit finally. Had to bleed the lines. The RV is soon to hit the road for another adventure of Duck's Adventures. Adventure Duck. We got a new rack. We got all this stuff with fishing stuff, more stuff. We got tons and tons of stuff. Tons. All kind of good stuff. Yes. Expensive stuff. Expensive rod and reels. Ha ha ha. Got some tables, got some other stuff, got my most expensive one right there. Yeah. We're getting ready for the adventure. The adventure is coming. She is burning. The refrigerator will work. But you can't see in here, it's probably too dark. Getting ready to load her up. Load her up, load her up. That cover fell off. Huh. Got some of the stuff up here already. Coolers, cookers. Cabinets are ready. Look how nice this floor is. All this has been redone. All my lights work. Thank you very much. Bedroom light works. A Celic mattress. Look how perfect my walls are. And extra fans. Nothing in here yet. Thermostat. I gotta put that back up here. Right there. Even the bathroom. This is the upgrade model because it had the light in the shower. Look at this. Everything is perfect. Perfect. You couldn't ask for a better RV. 28,000 miles. Look how clean that carpet is. 25 years old. Look how clean that carpet is. And I don't even use that carpet thing right there. I bought that to do the seats with. Not a tear in them. 25 years old. Not a tear nowhere. Not a leak. Gotta put that cover back on. Pick up some of the kids' stuff. All the seat belts. Getting ready to load it up. And that ain't a leak. That's the piece that goes on the, I guess, from the factory. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that shade. 25 years old. Chair. Immaculate. Not a stain on them. Walls, everything. I did put the cheap curtain up to keep people from looking in. Alright. We'll holler. Barry, you ready? Look at this screen door. Not a tear. Yeah. Not a tear in the screen. None of my windows have a tear in them. None of them have a tear. All my screens are perfect. Generator works, runs. Pumps on. Look at all my screens. They're perfect. None of them got a tear in them. Oop, can't show you what's in that. But anyway, y'all enjoy it. Ooh, dash. None of crack in the dash. Ha. Thank you.